Why does your scanner show the P0560 engine code, and what does it mean? The P0560 engine code stands for the system voltage malfunction. The powertrain control module, PCM, sets this code when it detects abnormal voltage readings from the battery. In this situation, short-distance driving is permitted, but you should fix your vehicle as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty alternator. Weak or failing battery. Poor electrical connections. Blown fuses. Faulty voltage regulator. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This generic powertrain engine diagnostic trouble code typically applies to all 1996 newer vehicles, including, but not limited to, Hyundai, Toyota, Saab, Kia, Honda, Dodge, Ford, and Jaguar vehicles. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.